I'm Steve Cook, Optimum Nutrition spokesmodel, bodybuilding.com athlete, IFBB Pro men's physique competitor. I've made my entire life about fitness. This September, I'll be competing in the first ever men's physique Mr. Olympia showdown. And this is my journey. What's good in the hood, everyone? So happy to see you guys here. Ready to do this. A little bit warmer here in Vegas, feels good. Time to, I think I packed enough. It's showtime. We don't mess around. I'm ready, prepared. So let's do it. Time to get some grocery shopping in. I still got to work out today too. So you guys are ready for an action-packed day. Get a little lift in today and then put my feet up. High carbs, feeling good. The last 4 days, people are like, oh man, you look ready, you're smiling. I'm like, yeah, it's nice that it's here, but I'm smiling because I have some carbs in me. I forgot my sunglasses. I'm about to go buy a pair of Ray-Ban. They see us rolling. They hate them. Cashew butter? Almond butter. I don't know, cashew butter kind of sounds awesome. We're gonna go almond butter. There we are. Spring water or drinking water? I don't trust my hotel water. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, tonight. Right before I go on stage, a high sodium meal. You know, at night, you know, you're not gonna go out, you're not gonna party, so I Netflix it up. Been killing those Magnum PI episodes. Big Tom Selleck fan. Crazy mustache. I remember after I won the Muscle and Fitness Male Model Search here in 2010, I was walking around this very mall and I ran into Greg Plitt. I always, you know, thought, man, Greg Plitt, I can do that. And I was always one of those kids that's like, growing up, anything anyone did, I was like, I can do that better. I was just competitive like that. It's kind of got me into some trouble at times, but I remember seeing Greg Plitt, like, I can be on that level. So he's always inspired me. You seen that Nestle Toll House? I want to come down here and destroy that after my competition. Where are we? We're right here? Prada. These are kind of cool. I don't know. They're big too, and they're Swolger green. These are cool.
Yeah, those are cool. It's carbon fiber. Sounds like that.
Carbon fiber? What? All right, we're good to go. I got my sunglasses made out of the shit they made space shuttles out of and stuff. So time to go to the hotel, get a workout in. Because it's perfect too. The sun just set, so I don't even need these now, but we wear our sunglasses at night in Vegas. Publishers Clearinghouse.
Oh dear. Hello, come on in. I just about put my
What are you eating?
pajamas on.
You eating pizza?
Hello.
Hi, nice to see you.
Surprise.
Yes, you're lucky I'm not in my pajamas.
Now I'm gonna quickly jump in the shower, shave, exfoliate, because when you tan, you can't have any dead skin or else it looks funny. So you guys don't have to leave the hotel, but you can't stay here.
I just want to say thank you for inspiring me. It's made me everything I am today. I've gotten a lot bigger. I used to be really skinny, and I'm a lot bigger now. I want to get even bigger. Hopefully do my first men's physique show.
Hey, Steve, good luck in that comp, man. Bring it home.
Good morning. We are ready to go today. Feeling ready though. Welcome to Mikasa. Absolute madness in here. It's a mess. As you can see, we got low sodium salt. We got steak. We got protein powders. We got water. It's kind of fun, but at the same time, it stresses me out. Woke up 3:30, got my first meal. Now it's time to start the process of contest prep. I can't believe this day is already here. So I'm gonna take my sups, my morning sups, go down and get a little pump up session, and then I gotta go get another tan, head over to the show, and then lights, camera, action. Nothing but positivity today. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna get a little steak action for that fat. Morton's light salt. Doing this because it's it has a good potassium to sodium ratio. As I spill it everywhere. It's not gonna taste the best, but it's not what it's about. One step closer to being on that stage, killing it. Let's do the damn thing. I'm just excited. Really, there's not much talking to do left. We've been at this, me, you, Swolger Nation, we've been at this for a while. Time to kick the tires and light the fire. That's a quote from my favorite movie. You guys get bonus points if you get it.
Guys like Steve and other people out there who are promoting a healthy lifestyle, and the health part and the mental health part and the empowerment through fitness. It's a huge thing for a lot of people. It can save a lot of lives. I know it saved mine.
Looking forward to seeing the first ever Olympia physique. Steve Cook, Mr. Swolger Nation, will be competing. Good luck to you, Steve. I know you're going to do really well. Best wishes, man.
16, the best men's physique athletes. We're going to give this, gentlemen, one at a time. One will earn the title of first ever men's physique Olympian champion. For the number 8, Stephen